Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, again, I'm still dealing with this walking pneumonia, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it. Just make sure you're subscribed, make sure your bell's turned on. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was some Boxyluxe December spoilers. Congratulations, Star Lynn. Star says, can I be first again? Love your videos. Well, honey, I don't pick who's first. You know YouTube does that. And, of course, you are first again. And Star, you're really good at this, and I appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to get that shout out. All right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to show all the new sizes to the BoxyCharm boxes. Now, first, I'm going to show you the past box. This was the base regular box. The size of this box was 8 by 5 by 2. And it was $21 with $125 value. A new BoxyCharm base box 2.0 is 9 by 7 by 3. Now this one's $25, so you're really just paying $4 more for a value of $150. So they did up the value on this box, and it's still the same. You get 5 full-sized items. The only difference is it's customizable, and you get a choice of 1 item. Now the next one is the BoxyCharm Premium. This size of this box is 11 by 10 by 4. Now this one's $35 with a value of $175. You'll get 6 to 7 full-sized items. And then the last one is the Boxyluxe. Now the size of this is 15 by 11 by 5. This is $49.99, value $300. That price never changed. It's always been the same. And again, you're going to get 9 to 10 full-sized items. Also, guys, now here is something that y'all can read. Now, you might have to pause this if you want to read every word of it. But now these are some updates about the BoxyCharm pop-up. Also about some of the choice windows. And again, you might need to pause this if you want to read up on everything. But it's a lot, you know. But I've been getting a lot of questions about it. So I wanted to include this in this video. So right here it is, y'all. And that's it. As always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. And guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Naturally Beautiful. Naturally Beautiful says, I truly hope you feel better, love. Well, thank you so much, Naturally Beautiful. I'm ready to start feeling better myself. I'm ready to start filming again, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And that's it, guys. Just make sure you're subscribed and your bell is turned on. That way you don't miss none of these spoilers, and that's all I got for you today. Love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.